the night before Christmas, I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more. And
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hi, babies!
They didn't miss you as much as you
I
think.
know.
Brayden told me.
He missed me.
He saw the other kids.
You didn't even call me last night.
No.
You had so much fun. You didn't need to call Mama.
No.
See, you were so worried about it, and you had so much
And
fun.
now we said you can come over and sleep over one night with Tessa, can't you? Yeah.
I'm getting so big. You missed me. You missed me.
He is probably exhausted.
Yeah, I said he was up at 4 a.m. with her.
Oh, wait, he's been up more than that. He's been up about.
Whoa! You already dug right in?
Look,
What's in there?
what was it?
What is it? Jammies for you and brother. Oh, a ring?
And we did this thing.
Oh!
Necklaces.
Snowman.
Was there poop in here?
Dummy.
Gummies.
Yeah, no. Last time I don't see my other one.
Yeah, I know. So the elf must have brought you new ones, huh? There's actually a note. Mama read it. Let me see if I can find it. Good morning, friends, and Merry Christmas Eve. It's Christmas Eve when I'm filming this. You guys are probably seeing it after Christmas, so I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas. I know that this year is definitely a little weird, but I hope despite all of that, you guys were able to have a great Christmas. So I'm starting today's vlog off on Christmas Eve, but it's gonna go right through until Christmas. So far this morning, it is actually now 1 o'clock in the afternoon. My boys stayed the night at their Yaya and Papa's last night, my parents' house, and had a cousin Christmas sleepover. So we went and picked them up this morning, and then when we got home, Brayden came home to his Christmas Eve box that Jingle and Frosty, our elves, left. So I'm going to show you guys that really quick. I'm actually really excited about it because we're starting something new this year, and yeah, let me just show you guys. So here is the Christmas Eve box. Brayden actually already went through all of this. I just kind of tried to throw back in together so that way you guys could see it. And obviously I'm missing some things here. But Jingle and Frosty are able to be touched today since they don't need their magic to fly back since Santa's taking them back. So Brayden has them right now. But they brought matching jammies for the whole family. You guys can see here's Brayden's and Tristan's, and this one's Floyd's over here. So the shirts say Santa knows what's up, and then Floyd's is just the button down in the pants. And then there's Bray's. And I just took a shower, so I already put mine on, and I'm definitely gonna be wearing this for like today and tomorrow, so just ignore me being in the same clothes. We don't leave at all for Christmas Eve or for Christmas, we just stay home, so I plan on chilling in my PJs the next 2 days, and I obviously gotta have the Christmas ones on, so. And then in the rest of it, they each got a little personalized moose with their names on it, and then there's this little foam house kit that we're gonna do soon, and just a little coloring kit that I can give it to him later if he's bored or whatever. Some hot cocoa, lollipop, gummies for the baby and Bray, and then a bunch of random little Christmas things that actually came with one of his other gifts he's gonna get. So like this ring, this light up ring and necklace and stuff. But then there was a note that led him, he hasn't actually done it yet because I told him I wanted to shower and stuff before we went and did the first surprise. So there's a little note that told him to go where there's something warm, and there's gonna be a little gift that he's gonna open, and we're gonna do little, whatever the gift is. They're all little activities, is what the elf said. So we have a bunch of little activities to do today, and each activity has a note that leads to the next one. He has to find them and unwrap them. You want to open that lollipop?
Yeah, I should like this one.
Okay, and then we'll wrap Dada's presents quick while he's gone. The kids made this cute little ornament at my parents' house. How cute! Boy mom life in my tree. So Tristan's down for his nap right now. He was exhausted when we picked him up from my parents' house. You wanna show him? Show him the lollipop holder. That's cool. My mom said that he woke up pretty a lot last night. So at home he usually only wakes up like once or twice, but I guess he woke up a lot for her last night. So he's down for a nap currently. But yesterday I brought the boys to pick out a gift for their dad from them. So we're gonna wrap that quick because Flea just had to go drop off the garbage and he was gonna grab pizza for lunch. And then also I had 3 packages coming today that were last minute gifts that I was really worried that like weren't gonna show up. And so far 2 of the 3 have showed up and the 3rd one says it's gonna show up. But one of them was Floyd's a big gift and it's a huge box. But it says what it is on the box. I got him a gaming chair. He wanted a gaming chair so we can get rid of the recliner that we have because it's like really junky at this point. We've had it for a long time. So I'm gonna wrap that quick while he's gone too because I obviously don't want him to see it and I don't really have anywhere to hide a box that big. So we're gonna do that now and then we're gonna start on our activities. Right after I just said that to you guys, I looked outside again and the final package has arrived. So all the last minute gifts arrived. I'm like super shocked, honestly. What, you wanna show them that again? You like that?
This one is red now.
It's red now. What flavor is it?
Strawberry.
Strawberry? Ooh.
No, watermelon.
Oh, it's watermelon?
Time almost came to a stop, but somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on.
Okay, so the first letter said to look where you make warm food.
I found it.
Where?
Where?
You think it's in there? Open it up. Oh, what's in there? Let's read what it says before we open it, okay?
Okay.
It says, first, let's make some cookies for Santa. For your next fun activity, look where you play games. Okay, so we're gonna save this so we don't forget where your next present's hiding, okay?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
I'll open it.
Go ahead.
I'm going to open it right now.
It says, let's make some cookies for Santa. So what do you think's gonna be in there?
How? I'm going to make cookies.
You think it's gonna be cookies? So our first fun thing to do is to make cookies for Santa, right?
How to make them with these?
And it looks like we make this bag of cookies first. And look at this, is a huge cookie.
We'll put them right here first.
Are we gonna make a cookie that's this big
Yeah.
for Santa?
We'll put them right here.
Okay.
So I showed them. What if for the other person?
Oh, first we start with this one.
Bye.
From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. From this Christmas
gotta get mama. We gotta get mama.
What do you mean? I'm not
Ah.
Again, boy mom life.
Oh.
WWE 24/7.
Boom! That was the power bomb from Batista. 1, 2, no! Why did it kick out?
From this Christmas sun, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree. From this Christmas sun, from this Christmas sun.
Your face!
Yeah, you bring it on. Does it make this baby gonna kick some butt right now?
I want you to put that with your mask. And
Alright. Ding, ding, ding! Oh, he's going for the pin. 1, 2, 3!
Get him! Tristan, are you not sure what to do?
I touched my button. I can't bite open it.
Brother's helping you, Bray.
I got my button back open.
Okay, ready? It says, look for your next fun activity where you play games. So where do you play games?
I'm gonna show you.
That's my game and stuff. This should be in your room.
All right, we gotta look for the present. Yours is messing here.
Mama, show the tip this.
I know, it is cool. Those things are really cool. Me and Dada used to play with those when we were little.
You do?
Yep.
Where is it?
I don't know, you gotta look around.
Wow!
Because I can see it from here.
I'm gonna open it.
All right, let's bring it out to the dining room, okay?
This is giant.
All right, it says, play a fun family game. However, this will get messy, so when you're done, let's go get clean. Okay, so go ahead and open it.
Okay.
What do you think it's gonna be if it said play a fun game?
I don't know. Yeah. This is a big bag.
Rip it.
Mama, I see me play game.
What is it?
Ah!
What game is it? Do you know?
The pie face.
Yeah, we've never played that one before, huh?
No, Mama, I don't want the pie face.
Well, you might. We might all get pie face.
Well, I don't want to take my face off.
It's not gonna take your face off. It's just whipped cream that you put on there.
No, I just want to see what they show my sister deity.
What, you want just me and Dad to play?
Yeah.
What?
That's
Press the buttons, Bray. Put your face in the hole though.
Press the buttons. Press the buttons. Press them. I'll help you in 2 seconds.
Oh! I did it.
You want to eat that?
No.
Don't press it yet, Bray. That is good.
I got free.
So scared. Three.
Hey, you only asked me.
Ready?
No, you gotta get in the hole and just go past the hand.
No, you did, Mama.
What about you? Isn't it your turn?
No, you did.
He's gonna make us do it like a
No.
poop
Oh
game. Look, count, please. I'm scared.
That one up.
Okay.
What?
I wasn't even in there yet.
Oh, no. Oh,
Alright, ready?
yes. What?
I even cheated too, dude. Come on.
Well, Brayden wasn't a fan of that game. I thought it was funny though. So we are about to take a bath, get nice and clean. What are you doing, child? Brayden thought it was funny when me and Floyd were doing it, but when I got on Brayden, he wasn't a fan. So this was the next present, but Brayden was too grumpy, so I didn't get to film it. But we thought about how he'll have to like let this dry, so we used a different bath bomb instead. The abdominal snowman he has. But Bray, you want your ducky? Ooh. And your crayons? It can be for both of you. And look at this is a crayon. You can color in the bath. Yeah. You can color in the bath with that. I think you gotta get it wet first. Okay, I feel like I haven't vlogged in a while, so we had Big CD for dinner and we sat down. What movie did we watch? The Elf?
Yeah.
That was his last gift from the Elf as we watched the Elf and had popcorn and hot cocoa and snacks. Baby brother went down for bed, so now we're gonna put out Santa's cookies and reindeer food, and Brayden's gonna go to bed. Okay, so first we gotta put some oats in here.
Oh.
We're gonna put them in here.
Yeah.
Reindeer like oats.
Well, I don't.
Okay, now you can put some marshmallows in there.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Not the whole bag, just some, okay? Maybe use your hand. Okay, yeah, you're gonna spill it all over. So look at. Stop. Use your hand like this.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, I think that's enough.
Oh my god.
Mix that up a little.
Now time for a big one.
Now time for the sprinkle.
Ma, I don't know what to do. Maybe green?
Whatever color you want.
I did some of them.
Alright.
Sure you don't want now.
So now, we'll mix it up.
Let's check okay. I see this roll where this little one. Let's see what. Yeah, do it!
I'll put a few carrots on the plate.
Yeah, show them. Eat all of them.
Yep.
This one. Why are you putting them right there?
Because see, it says carrots for the reindeer and cookies for Santa. So Santa's cookie was over there.
Okay.
Maybe 2 more.
2 more?
Yeah.
Okay. They're one over here. Oh, Mama.
1 more.
Maybe on Santa.
We'll put some more over here. See this?
Okay.
There we go. Perfect.
Now we need Kitty boy. Santa
About
top.
some milk for...
Ma, what?
Let me see.
Oh, yes. That's enough.
That's enough. You want them to drink all your milk?
Yeah.
Okay, now we just gotta put your big cookie on there.
Yeah. How is it going to do that?
Don't know.
Don't ruin it.
Honey. Holy moly. You think Santa's gonna be able to eat all that?
Yeah. With the Bolton,
Yeah, he'll still be able to eat it.
let him do that and
Yeah, he'll be able to eat it kind of easier that way, right?
John don't ruin it.
Alright. That's it.
No.
Oh, you want me to help you?
I want you.
Which one you want? This one?
And red one.
The red one?
Yeah. So I eat all the red off.
Alright.
How do I eat all these?
Want me to get you down or you gonna eat that right there?
I don't eat right here.
Okay. That's a very frosted cookie. So we put Brayden down to bed at 8:30 and he didn't actually fall asleep until close to 11. He did this last year too. I think he just gets so excited that he just doesn't sleep. I remember doing that as a kid, but I feel like I was older. He literally gets so pumped for Christmas. But Floyd and I watched 8 Crazy Nights and Bad Santa and finished the wrapping, and luckily he didn't come down at all when he was awake in that time, so I was able to set everything up. It's now 12:30. This is actually the earliest I've been done with Christmas stuff on Christmas Eve in like years. So Floyd fell asleep on me on the couch. What the heck is new? And nothing. And I'm about to head to bed. I will see you guys in the morning.
You heard him on the roof?
No.
You didn't? You were probably sleeping when he was on the roof.
Yeah. Oh my god! What is this?
What is that?
It's a big thing.
What is that?
A big thing.
It has Hot Wheels on it.
What is it? You know what it is.
It also yeah, but it has a T-Rex.
It has a T-Rex.
Yeah.
What do you think, dude?
I know I wanted Bubblehead.
You know you wanted the bobblehead?
Yeah.
Holy moly, there's a lot of presents.
Yeah. That you told me.
Santa really did come, huh?
Yeah. And Mom,
Is
what
that
is
one
it?
for baby brother?
Yeah. Your mom is in a house in
You had it when you were little, huh? Yeah. You both got car garages?
Yeah. But big one has a little one, and I have a bigger one.
Yeah, that Hot Wheels one is
First
huge.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Mama, you the only one you need.
Oh, wow.
That you
Yep, but also there's a. We can hang this on your wall, and it's like a poster.
Yeah.
Christmas story.
Oh, Dada. This. What's in the house? This is the one in the house.
You have that one?
You think you're ready to open presents?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Tristan, what you got?
Ooh.
I really wanted this thing.
What is it?
And I Hot Wheels thing. Have so many cars.
So many cars?
Yeah, look.
Tristan, you want to see your stocking? What's in yours?
What?
What's that? Some colored books?
Mama, baby, have it down.
Oh, that's so nice. Baby brother can't color yet though, so I think you're gonna get to color both of them.
No, I don't want to color.
Oh, that's so nice.
And this one is so beautiful. Yeah, this is the one Yaya has.
Diana has that one?
Yeah.
Yaya has that car?
Yeah.
What? That car's cool. You can put all your cars right in here.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Pretty badass, because
Tristan, you got toilet paper?
it sucks that you got
Here comes the jolly season again with the sleigh bells and choirs singing. But I hear no church bells ringing out for me. This year I've been nothing but good, Santa Claus. I hope you to see.
Santa brought Tristan his first big boy baba. Let's see how he likes it. It's like one of the soft nipple sippy cups. He's definitely unsure. He's been on Dr. Brown so far his whole life. But I figured it's time we start trying to switch him over a little bit. Huh? That ain't going well. Okay, so everything is opened. Now we still have to open a few more presents. It's a mess everywhere, so we are slowly working on opening the rest of the stuff so we can get the garbage out and stuff. And I'm also starting to make breakfast currently. My parents will be coming here soon to celebrate Christmas for a little bit, so I'm trying to get my house kind of back together before then because my mom always goes hard on the presents, so it's just gonna get messy all over again, but there's like no room right now. He's starting to get a hang of it. Look at, he's drinking out of Big Boy Baba. I was starting to get this house cleaned up and then my parents came over and it was a legitimate second Christmas, so it's a mess all over again. Huh, babe? The amount of stuff that these kids got is like truly ridiculous. Brayden, what's your favorite toy that you got? The garage? What's your second favorite toy?
Those Army Man.
The Army Man? Wow, I thought it was gonna be your ambulance.
No, I see what Undertaker and da.
You like all of them?
Yeah, and das.
You guys got a lot, huh?
Here, you see this Benson. Oh,
Benson's a little scary, so I'm gonna say Woody.
this is my favorite.
Floyd got me this nice picture over here.
Mom.
What? Oh, his mouth moving.
Yeah.
From Smallwoods because I got this one from my sister-in-law when Tristan was still in my belly, so I really wanted one with all of us, and look how cute. Tristan just went down for a nap and I wasn't sure how I was gonna go because I gave him his new Big Boy Baba, but seems like he's sleeping. My mom also got me these, and let me just show you guys how crazy this is. So this one's from Brayden. This is his second year. This is his first year. This is his second year of Christmas. And then here's Tristan's, and like, just look at how much they look alike. It's so crazy. Oh no, I need a shot. Ow! That hurt!
I don't do like one of your teeth out.
You're gonna take one of my teeth out? Ow!
But then when we shut your ears,
Yep.
bow, bow.
Do I have an ear infection like baby brother? Oh, I do? Oh man.
You give mama shots her in the butt.
No.
In the butt? Ow!
No.
I don't think I'm as tough as you. I think I'll cry with a shot. Thank you. Check my heart. Oh.
Brett, this is like,
So we have spent the day cleaning and playing and eating, and me and Tristan took a nap.
I need to put some more toys on here.
Okay.
How many toys are fit on here?
A lot, dude.
Yeah.
We are, hang on one second, Bray. Me and Tristan took a nap together. Now he's down for bed, and I'm gonna play with my baby man here for a little bit before it's bedtime with his favorite toy, huh?
Now also you put some right here, right all the way down there.
Oh, you can put them everywhere.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys had a great Christmas. I hope you got to spend it with some family. And ew! And despite everything going on in the world, I hope you had a great day.